If you want frontier-level coding and agent performance, but you don't want to pay closed model prices, GLM 5.2 is the model you've probably been hearing about. Let me show you how to run it on Fireworks. Now, GLM 5.2 is open and MIT licensed, so any company can use it commercially, and you're not locked into anyone's roadmap. On the independent leaderboards, it's the top open model, and on real coding and design tasks, it's beating closed models head-to-head. It ranks above Opus 4.7 on Code Arena, tops Design Arena over Claude Fable 5, and leads the open weights field on DataCurve's Long Horizon coding benchmark. It's built for coding and agents that run a long time, and it reads up to 1 million tokens at once, so it can hold a whole codebase in one go. Because GLM 5.2 is open, lots of providers run it, but they're not all the same speed. Independent benchmarks put Fireworks among the fastest providers for this model. Fireworks also serves the full million token context, where a lot of providers quietly cap it lower, and the rate limits grow with your traffic instead of throttling you in production. To set it up, start by going to Settings, API Keys, then Create API Key. I'll give it a name, click Generate Key, and copy it. Then I open my terminal and send Fireworks a request with curl. It points at Fireworks' API address with my key and the model set to GLM 5.2. I hit enter and the answer streams back. And I never set up a server or a GPU. Fireworks runs the model and I just pay for the tokens I use. There's also a fast version of the model. I change one line, the model name, to the fast version. It's the same model, just served quicker. Standard GLM 5.2 is $1.40 in and $4.40 out per million tokens. Fast is about 50% more. Claude or GPT would run you several times that for the same kind of work. And the whole time, there's no infrastructure for you to manage. The biggest cost saver is caching. An agent sends the same context over and over. The system prompt, your code, the tool list, everything from earlier turns. That repeated part is usually most of what you're paying for. Fireworks caches it, so after the first time, you're not paying full price to send it again. Reused context is 90% off, 14 cents per million tokens instead of $1.40. And Fireworks gives the deepest cache discount of any provider running GLM 5.2, which adds up to about 38% lower total cost than running it somewhere else. So the more your agent loops on the same context, the more your bill drops. So that's GLM 5.2 on Fireworks Serverless Fast. A top open model, one of the fastest ways to run it, and nothing to manage underneath. Thank you for watching.